We may be in the House of New South, but for one night only, this may have just become the House of Hardcore with the innovator of violence, Tommy Dreamer, ECW legend, standing across from P-Dawg.
Absolutely. And P-Dawg might have bitten off a little more than he can chew. Not only the fact that it's Tommy Dreamer, but not exactly known for the hardcore appetite that Tommy Dreamer is known for.
Well, I had a word with P-Dawg in the back earlier. I asked him, what's going on here, man? Why did you demand this match with Tommy Dreamer? And, these guys were together in WWE, and Mike Posey, when he was a referee there as he was leaving, thought that Tommy Dreamer should have helped him kickstart his rap career. And Dreamer offered no help whatsoever. Actually, Tommy was quite baffled why P-Dawg thought that he could be any help in starting a rap career. But tonight, he said he's going to show that Tommy Dreamer might be a hardcore wrestler, but he's a hardcore rapper from Trustworthy.
We'll see how that goes.
Look at that, shoves him.
Tommy Dreamer, actually the man responsible for giving him his job in the WWE when he was a referee.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of bad on P-Dawg's part that he's holding a grudge against the guy that helped him get his job in WWE. I mean, Tommy helped him out a lot, but apparently he didn't help him out enough in his mind, and here we are.
Well, apparently it didn't help him keep his job.
It didn't help him keep his job, obviously.
He's no longer there.
I'll get in the ring when I get dang good ready, all right? You need to sit down and shut up. You people know you ain't gonna put a Hartselle and not get some P-Dawg rounds, that's for sure. And I got one for you too, right now, how about this? Hey, yo, Tommy. You think you some kind of hardcore legend? Coming in here with all that buzz? Bro, all you is a hardcore never was.
Oh! No, he didn't.
Hey! Get out here. You selling pictures, you selling the gimmicks, and making all that cash. Hey, you just like these people in Hartselle. You just a bunch of poor white trash.
Oh! Oh my God!
Right there on all your Facebook.
Say on the streets, Tommy Dreamer just got served.
I think that's what the kids say. Yeah.
I asked him, I said, what are you going to do when you get out there, P-Dawg? He said, I'm going to serve that fool. I think that's what he did. I mean, I know you don't talk all that street lingo that P-Dawg does over in Trustful in the hood.
Coleman, we don't really talk that way, though.
No, you really don't in Coleman. P-Dawg wouldn't be welcome in Coleman, but that's a whole other topic for another
Absolutely.
day. He's getting stretched out. He's getting ready. Tommy Dreamer looks like he don't quite understand what he's looking at right now. This isn't the Mike Posey that Tommy Dreamer remembers from a few years back.
The mild-mannered ring crew / referee.
Exactly.
P-Dawg definitely has a big opportunity here. Anytime you lock up with a guy like Tommy Dreamer, a win could do big things for your career.
Absolutely. It's going to get talked about. It's going to make the rounds. Tommy Dreamer came to Hartselle, Alabama to the House of New South. P-Dawg handed him his butt on the mic and then proceeded to beat him in the ring, but it ain't looking good for him right now as Dreamer's wearing that arm out.
Definitely, his tights remind me of Dusty Rhodes somewhat.
I think that's what he's going for. I think it's a tribute to Dusty, who was a big influence on Tommy Dreamer throughout his career.
I thought it couldn't be a coincidence.
No, absolutely not. Tommy Dreamer heavily influenced by Dusty Rhodes and Terry Funk.
Now he's going to...
Referee, excuse me. You see, I don't know if you know this, but this part of town, they're old school.
Even an ECW guy can see that.
I'm just talking from Continental Wrestling, because that's when I started watching wrestling from this area with the Armstrongs, Mr. Olympia, and all a lot of great wrestlers like that. And then a crazy little company called ECW came around.
People say ECW's not over in the South.
And we started traveling, and you know what? We actually did a show at the Bowell Auditorium. And then we brought a pay-per-view here because we knew that there's a bunch of sick, hardcore freaks down here.
A young Matthew Glover was in attendance at that pay-per-view.
And we love each and every one of them. So, I say we go a little old school because I haven't been in Alabama in a long time and I don't know when I'm ever going to come back. So people want to see what Tommy Dreamer likes to deliver.
This don't sound good for P-Dawg.
Right, this is absolutely the opposite of what he wanted.
And P-Dawg, I gotta say, you're very, very impressive with your rap skills. I am not a good rapper. You remind me of a man named Vanilla Ice. And things that you said to me were not very nice. But you're more like Rob Van Winkle. And tonight when you faced me, you may just tinkle. And you see, I just turned 46 and I really don't know a lot of rap. I'm kind of old school. And I would say like a hip hop, the hippie to the hippie to the hip hop. You don't stop rocking to the bang bang.
Sugar Hill Gang.
Up the boogie, I'm gonna hit you with my DDT. So what do you say? Instead of a normal match, we go a little old school, a little hardcore, a little false count anywhere in the place to be.
Uh-oh.
A listener named Daniel Bryan, he goes, yes, 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 but I don't really care because I'm extreme and falls will count anywhere.
Name dropping just like the rappers do.
Wow. I got a feeling we may see Dreamer and P-Dawg closer than we thought.
Band raps, I got 2 words for you. There's that 2 words in the nugget. I like to tell you to go, suck it! Extreme rules, baby!
Wow. P-Dawg just got owned on the mic. His only chance is the match now.
I was about to say P-Dawg might not get back in the ring, but he went straight back in the ring, so I was wrong there. Oh. Got him punch drunk. Posey.
Taking a dusting.
Oh.
P-Dawg cuts him off. Oh, there's the elbow.
P-Dawg able to get out of harm's way there for just a moment, but Tommy Dreamer able to regroup and take him down. He rolls to the outside, which is not where he wants to be. This is Tommy Dreamer's territory for sure.
Last time an ECW alumni came to the Sparkman Civic Center, Rhino took his opponent on a grand tour of the facility.
Not sure.
And I got a feeling P-Dawg's about to visit every corner of this building.
Looks like he's mixing Diet Dr. Pepper with regular there, and I don't think Posey really cared. Excuse me, P-Dawg.
That is definitely hardcore, mixing regular and Diet Dr. Pepper.
Right, it's the best of both worlds.
Erica out here on the side of the ringside. Better get out of the way.
Right, I was going to say her plans for the night better be to run if anyone gets near her.
Absolutely.
As we've seen Tommy Dreamer.
He's letting fans chop P-Dawg.
Tommy Dreamer definitely an equal opportunity when it comes to fighting people. Another nice chop there. That might be a new sub first. I don't think we've ever had a fan chop.
I don't think we have. We're right to have our second one right here.
Oh!
No!
Swung for the fences, and you can tell he put that impact on there. He's shaking his hand.
Shirt really laying it in there.
He's excited.
Oh! That lady's chop sounded off. I think she's done that before.
She might be a stunt granny. Dreamer's got something in mind here. What is that? The hammer, maybe? Hard to tell from our vantage point here.
It's between the legs of P-Dawg, whatever it is. Singapore cane or just
I think it's Troy's cane, actually. I believe that's what it is. The one that's about a foot too short for him.
Yeah, that's
I think he stole it from a Hobbit. Posey back in the ring. Excuse me, P-Dawg going back in the ring.
Oh my God, no!
Oh, he's going to ring his bell.
Oh!
That is not an official bell, ladies and gentlemen.
Ding, ding, indeed.
And I think P-Dawg has officially regretted this decision.
Yeah, you don't challenge Tommy Dreamer and think that it's going to be a regular wrestling match.
Oh! And you can hear it all the way over here. Definite hard impact with that ring post. And that might take that hand out of commission for the night.
P-Dawg. There you go. Now this is where P-Dawg's at his best when he gets a chance to take advantage of a situation.
Oh, throws him right in another trip to the post there. This might be a time where Posey might want to try to find any kind of weapon he can get his hands on and take Dreamer down while he's got the opportunity.
You know, I'm surprised, usually, as P-Dawg puts it, he rolls with his posse. He normally has a whole slew of people at ringside with him. The get-along gang, I don't think, wanted a piece of Tommy Dreamer.
I don't think they like Hartselle. Not many people usually show up when he's here, so I think they're scared, maybe. I mean, it's Alabama. It's scary to put people on.
That's probably wise on their part, actually.
And P-Dawg definitely taking advantage here. The lax rules doesn't have to break that hold. He could have held him there as long as he wanted to.
Tommy Dreamer kind of making a joke out of things, and people do take him lightly with all his rapping and everything, and that's why it kind of works for him, because P-Dawg, when you get past all the goofiness of his rap, he's a heck of a talented wrestler, and he's a dangerous guy that's been in the sport for quite a while and knows how to take advantage of an injury like he's doing right now.
And you see the newest member there, the get-along gang, taking advantage of the situation. They're choking Dreamer.
I haven't seen her.
I'm not sure. I think she might be from close to that city we mentioned earlier. Somewhere between here and Trustful, I'm sure.
Yeah, some rest stop between here and Trustful, they met up.
And they got along. As the game goes.
As games do at those places. Whoa, wait a minute.
Oh.
Tommy is had him about to get along there.
You say he's already rang his bell. Now he's trying to take it home with him. Gonna attack the limbs again.
Break his arm. Oh man, this dude's a chance for tables.
If I were P-Dawg, I would run away as soon as I saw a table come anywhere near me. Just chalk it up to a bad decision and get out of Dodge.
Exactly.
All day.
There's no shame in going home with both of your legs functioning.
Absolutely not a broken spine. P-Dawg using the wrestling ability though, and it's, well, Dreamer back to his feet now, but it was working up until that point.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Goes right back to work on that injured joint.
Very smart on P-Dawg's part.
But again, he just can't help himself to mess with this crowd here.
Yep.
In a precarious position given what's happened to him in this match. Again, I don't...
Oh, no! Oh, no, don't...
Is he going to pull his pants off?
Thank God for that belt.
Does not subscribe to the sagging philosophy.
Thank you. That would have been a horrible event right there.
Referee right in the way, but is able to move.
These leg drops.
A patented PD,
P-Dawg is now
O, and the G coming. Oh, this, again, a move given what's happened. And I don't think the fans, this is at all what they wanted to see. P-Dawg definitely raining on the parade tonight.
Exactly. They want to see a wild ECW brawl. P-Dawg's giving them a wrestling match.
And going against his normal style, too. Oh, big elbow there. Normally known for his high-flying maneuvers, more tonight, a grounded type guy.
Yeah, he is.
Which, again, a smart strategy to keep Tommy Dreamer off of his feet.
Absolutely. Work on that arm. You can't DDT if his arm don't work. Oh, no.
And you can't throw somebody through a table from your back.
Exactly.
P-Dawg,
Jammed
however,
his spine and his tailbone, though.
nobody
That's
around
not a flattering position at all.
And all that momentum he's built up is quickly fading away like sands through an hourglass.
Dreamer's not moving too well right now, but he's fighting back to his feet.
Definitely a strained look on
Look
his
at that
face.
arm. It's just kind of hanging there, man. Oh, boot to the mouth. Big clothesline.
Using the right hand.
Yeah, that other arm still was kind of dangling there, but that right one's working. Right in the temple. Look at that. Knock him out. Oh, biting him.
And as we've seen Tommy Dreamer do
Oh,
in,
no.
in the past, using the teeth there.
Yeah.
In ECW, you had to do what you had to do.
Absolutely. Look at that.
Laurinaitis
Out
crusher.
of nowhere.
Oh,
That was close.
didn't hook the leg. Might have been the end of it. And boy, would these fans have been upset.
Oh, they would have.
Not only would they have P-Dawg been in control.
Won, but sad they didn't get to see P-Dawg go through a table.
And in a match that P-Dawg would have controlled the majority
And
of
it
them.
looks like Dreamer is going to oblige. He's going under the table. Oh, he's got a chair. Oh,
A little reckless.
P-Dawg narrowly escaped. Hit with that chair.
And a chair in the hand, you know, getting hit with a chair is horrible anytime. But a chair in the hands of a guy like Tommy Dreamer is a lethal weapon.
You know, it could be that drop toe hold in the chair he's known for that has taken out so many opponents over the years. Or he can just do this.
P-Dawg wants no part of whatever he had in mind.
Oh,
Oh!
turn the tables. Look at P-Dawg.
He must have been watching Raven tapes.
Wow.
I know there's people like, what's a tape?
Look it up, folks. Google wrestling tapes. Oh.
Oh! P-Dawg about flew into the first row.
P-Dawg managed to catch himself, thankfully. But
Oh,
as Tommy's hero, Dusty Rhodes would say, he is tied to the tree of woe right now.
he might have rather did a plancha into that front row.
Yeah, I know. Look at this. I would not want to be P-Dawg right about now. Oh! Right into the face of P-Dawg.
And I hope the insurance policy of P-Dawg's paid up because he might need to go see the dentist after that one.
Dreamer is feeling it. He is fired up. He's got that chair in position. I think we're about to see that DDT. Right on the chair. This will be it. Whoa!
Sweeps the legs up from him. And he does hook the leg, just not enough for P-Dawg.
P-Dawg been talking to Phil Macchio back there or something. He swept the leg effectively. Wedges that chair into the corner. This can't be good.
And P-Dawg, again, not a guy that uses the weapons so much. So let's see what he does here. Oh.
Nope.
Oh!
Oh, no.
I don't know. Two count only.
Miss Erica in there.
And she's going to get involved. That's
Apparently she's not aware that Tommy Dreamer, it ain't nothing for Dreamer to pile drive a chick.
absolutely, as I said,
Kinda
definitely
known for that, actually.
equal opportunity when it comes to fighting. And here in the Deep South, they're fine with that.
Yeah, they're looking back like, is this chick serious? Uh-oh. Oh, boy. Here it comes.
Not that.
P-Dawg up just in time, it looks like.
Oh, using his entire body weight there to take him down. 2 count only.
That was close.
If I were her, I'd get out of the ring.
Yeah.
Like why you can.
She's kind of hanging out over there, so take what comes to that, of course. Yeah, he's going to hold Tommy for P-Dawg here.
Oh!
God! Jeez!
Oh!
Into the chair.
And it did not go anywhere.
No.
Dreamer driver.
Driver plants him. I don't see any way out of this, Matthew.
Nobody to save him either. 2, 3,
That's
and that'll do it.
The innovator of violence does it again.
P-Dawg might be out of commission for a while. I don't know how well you can write rap lyrics with a concussion. That chair did not budge.
Well, girl better be thankful because Tommy Dreamer was about to pile drive her if it had not been for P-Dawg. But
I mean, she didn't come out of it the best, but much
still
better
took
than she would have.
Quite the lariat there from P-Dawg.
Hey, nothing to do. Guys, honestly, I was doing the VIP thing. I've been wrestling. I started this business when I was 18 years old. I just turned 46 years old. If I had to do my life all over again, I would not change a single thing. Guys, seriously, like I said, I've been doing this more than half my life. If it wasn't for you guys, there would be no Tommy Dreamer, there would be no John Cena, there would be no little P-Dawg.
What the heck is this?
Very familiar.
This is what makes me.
Tommy Dreamer trying to have a moment with the fans, showing what a class act he is.
And I guess the win in the opening contest not enough for Baron Black. Definitely the entrance music of his faction.
And here comes the whole monarchy. And I'll tell you what now. One thing to take a knee during the anthem and mess with some of the guys he messed with, messing with Tommy Dreamer, that's a whole other story.
They definitely have the numbers advantage. Innovator of Violence is a tough cookie for sure, but 3-on-1, even much less the 4-on-1 that they have now. That is a stout lady they have alongside them. Definitely making the crowd wait to find out what he has in mind.
Yeah, I love this crowd here in Hartselle.
It is indeed hard to hear someone who's not speaking. But anything they can do to antagonize Baron Black, they're definitely going to.
Been better if the mic had worked, because now they're coming down to the ring.
The three male members getting as close to the ring now.
Excuse me. Now it works now.
What?
You don't cut my mic.
What?
When you feel like it.
What?
Well, you better get your people in the back to get with it. I'm gonna break your other arm.
Threatening the ring announcer now. Baron means business.
Excuse me, Mr. Dreamer, with all due respect. I don't mean to cut you off, but all that you was talking in the back and all this you talking out here, I just need you to shut up for a second because I got some things to say.
Oh my God. This is a whole new level for the Baron.
A new level of respect, for sure.
Disrespect. This is crazy.
Absolutely.
You see, you're a legend. You're a legend. You're a very respectable man in this business. But that was then, that is not now. That was great Tommy Dreamer all day, but the fact of the matter is, you are the past and the future. So, I have a big issue with guys like you. Guys like you that are old, washed up, crippled, and decrepit, still stepping in the ring
gotten checked.
You need to understand that New South is the house of the emperor.
Tommy Dreamer patiently listening to what Darren has to say here.
I'm speechless.
So, I understand all these people love you, but for your safety and your well-being, I think it's best if you just pack it all up and leave the ring.
He thinks it's best for Tommy Dreamer if he just loads up and leaves the ring.
This business is all about respect and honoring the past, and I really do see that you're doing it because you're a wannabe nation of domination.
Hey now.
And
Wow.
CCW was the past. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to exclude you, Nia Jax wannabe.
Oh boy.
Well, you take off that coat, I'm pile driving and leave all that gel you got going on or knock out some of your meat.
You poke the bear, you get what you get, Matthew.
But you know,
That's absolutely
I saw
true.
your act earlier, and I was very, very offended. And you know, because there is a lot of racial tension in the world, but it doesn't exist in professional wrestling because we are all united. You see, black can sit next to white, young can sit next to old, and we can forget about all of our problems and let the world go away for a little bit and get lost in professional wrestling. And I know a lot of people are upset about Donald Trump. He is a WWE Hall of Famer. He was very, very nice to me. But you know what? I started a company called House of Hardcore, and our motto is no politics, no BS, just wrestling. So you want to come out here and disrespect me? Fine. You want to come out here and disrespect the flag? I met a Marine who brought his kids. I met someone from Vietnam. People died for that flag. So get your two flunkies out of this ring and let's do this. And not because you're black, not because I'm white, because it's what's good for this business. You understand me, punk?
Wow.
Tommy Dreamer fired
Holy
up
crap.
That's what you want.
like Tommy Rich, just on fire.
Man.
I don't know if this is the wisest choice for Baron.
Baron Black is about to be taken to school right now.
Like he wasn't really mad at P-Dawg, and you saw what happened with him.
Yeah. Oh, here come these guys. Look at this.
Well, that lasted about
Like
2 seconds.
Gang of thugs here. Wait a minute. Here comes the backup.
It's the Dumpster Divers and Sugar Dunkerton.
Sugar D and the Dumpster Divers ain't gonna watch this happen.
Cabana Mandan was using every ounce of his frame there to step on him.
He is.
Oh!
On AJ.
I don't think AJ is going to escape that lightly either.
Oh, wait a minute. Look at this. Here's some ECW for you right here.
What's up?
Oh. Testify, Matthew.
Absolutely. Sugar D, blast from the past here.
Oh my God. Oh my God. These fans are about to get what they came for.
And Sugar D out here to facilitate it.
Listen to these people go crazy as Sugar D gets the table. Per the instructions of Tommy Dreamer. Should we say Tommy Ray Dreamer at this point?
Sugar, a little bit of a struggle there, but able to get it in the ring.
You got to say one thing, Matthew. House of New South is going to be one of the most memorable shows we have ever taken part in. This is freaking amazing.
Crowd very excited here, wanting to see what they came to with Tommy Dreamer being in attendance. What are they going to do
Yes,
here?
they're going to hand him off the dump just like a shield here. They got him up and down.
And the table has been used, much to the happiness of this
Oh,
one.
my God.
New South table, as you can see there.
Can't believe it.
Oh, my brothers!
Didn't need a microphone for that one. Everybody
No, he
knew.
didn't. What a night. New South Wrestling, the House of New South right here at the Spartan Civic Center. Thank you, Tommy Dreamer, for an amazing event and one these people will not forget anytime soon, that's for sure.
Great night, great action, lots of surprises, lots of things you didn't see coming, but we did get to see that table at the end, and that's what this crowd, they're going to send the crowd home happy, definitely excited about that. Tommy Dreamer, big win over P-Dawg, Mike Posey. We had the big surprising pin in the tag team Grand Prix with the dumpster divers getting that point.
What will Baron Black come back with next time?
That's
We'll have to be
beer.
here to see.